Performance prediction. By changing just one or multiple performance metrics, INSCYD allows you to predict your athlete's future performances. The performance prediction feature enables you to quantify the influence of any metric change on the specific performance benchmarks. For example, the different performance benchmarks can be the maximum fat oxidation rate, the power or the speed of your athlete at anaerobic threshold, or the time to complete an 800-meter race. By projecting the effect of a change in any metric, you are empowered to exactly quantify the effects on your athlete's performance. Only in this way can you make informed decisions about the goals of a training period and create a nutrition strategy that is tailored to your desired outcome. To use this tool, first go to the Manage Test section of INSCYD. Select the desired data set from the list, or if you want to find it quickly, use INSCYD's search function at the top right of the screen. You can type in the name of your athlete, the name of the data set itself, or any other information like tags and comments you have added to the file. When you move the cursor on the desired test in the list, the button Create Virtual becomes visible. Select Create Virtual, and a new dialog window shows up. This is similar to the manual test ones, but different from a lactate and a critical power test. Instead of reviewing the raw data, the Create Virtual option already presents you the results of the selected test. At this point, you can change any metric of your athlete's performance. This may be the VO2 max, the VLA max, the body weight, the body composition, as well as the economy, and so on. Select Save and View to directly see the metabolic profile of your athlete. Now you can focus on the metric that you wish to change and monitor. This can be the maximum fat oxidation rate that you can find in the Load Characteristics section, or the speed or power at anaerobic threshold, which can easily be accessed in the Metabolic Capacity section. At this point, you can also check the effects on a performance that is similar to your targeted race. For example, if the test contains data from a maximal 800-meter run, you can now read the change in speed for any given lactate from just a read of the lactate curve. If the effort was performed at maximum intensity during the test, you can use the maximum lactate concentration as a valid benchmark for any other lactate concentration at any state. And by playing around with the lactate concentration and the speed of the virtual performance, you can now predict how the real race will unfold. To compare a virtual performance with an original performance, select both tests from the list in the Manage Tests section. Then select Multi-Athlete Metabolic Profiling. The graphs now show how the relevant physiological metrics change in steady state condition as a function of velocity or power. The original and the virtual performance are visualized in the same graphs. The header menu highlights the numeric differences between the original and virtual data. If you move your cursor over any graph displayed, you can read the results of both datasets. Zoom and pan in the graphs to highlight specific areas and identify the smallest differences. The virtual tests created on INSCYD are automatically excluded from the performance development charts, and therefore they don't falsify this very important part of the software.